Southern Scratcher, whoa. We have some Scratcher tickets trying to win the lotto. Comment, like, and subscribe before you go.
Alrighty, Southern Scratcher's got a $70 lot. Got a $30 ticket all the way down to our good old favorites, the Big Spin. Went ahead and got two more of those because they're getting ready to run out. I keep saying that, but they are getting ready to run out, and that's one of my favorite tickets. So let's see what we can do. Alrighty, we'll get started with a good old favorite Big Spin ticket. Just matching numbers. Trying to get a spin to go on the computer. I'm not sure how many of those are left, if any. We'll see here. 31, 3, 11, and a good old 9. No 25. No 16, no 18, no 26, no 5, no 20, no 37, no 38, no 39, no 15, no 27, and no 6, no 35, no 10, no 13, and no 32. Alrighty, one more. We'll go in and got two of them. Looking for a 38, a 1, a 36, or an 18. No 15, no 22, no 39, no 23, no 29, no 5, no 8, no 20, no 21, no what? We do have a 1. Come on, $5. I was hoping we was going to get a big spin. No 11, no 13, no 3, no 28, no 35, and no 2, so just $5. Alrighty, our first $10 ticket is 50 times cash. Bag cash at the top for the bonus. Down at the bottom is matching numbers. A 2, 5, 10, 20, or 50x multiplier. Nothing in the bonus. Looking for a 38, 37, 7, 39, 21, or a 33. No 3, no 43, no 40, no 17, no 31, no 8, no 48, no 41. Oh, is there? No 19, no 36, no 29, no 16, no 13, no 4, and no 47. Alrighty, next $10 tickets, big bucks, jumbo bucks. Looking for a matching number, a roll of cash, a 10x burst, a $100 bill, or a bucks gets all 15 prizes. That'd be nice. Jumbo bucks. 20. Do what?
How much is that ticket?
It's a $10 ticket. 29, 9, 23, 39, 19, or a 20. And no 33, no 26, no 21, no 34, no 13, no 24, one off at the 23 there, no 37, no 35, no 15, no 8, no 11, no 38, no 2, no 36, and no 16. We're on a downhill roll. Alrighty, Red Hot Millions. We're looking for matching numbers, stack of cash, 10x symbol, or a bag of cash wins all 15 prizes. This is another ticket we haven't had a ton of luck with. 33, 18, 13, 23, or an 8. No 38, no 27, no 5, no 24, No 14. No 37. No 25. No 29. No 9, no 9, no 9, no 9. No 35. No 28. No 2. No 33. No 21. And no 40. Alrighty, last hope. This is ticket number 18 off the roll. 300 million supreme riches. Stack of cash at the top. Down at the bottom, roll of cash. Matching numbers 10x, 20x, and the does not exist $400 burst. Alrighty, here we go. Looking for a 52, 57. Oh no, 70, 40, 14, 40, 2, a 56, a 50, a 27, or a 7. I always hate seeing that 70 show up. Always a bad sign for ticket. No 65, no 22, no 69, no 55, no 26, and a ton of one-offs on that first row. So, no 31, no 15, no, that's another one-off. No 60, no 58, no 30. At 58 was another one-off. No 21, no 68, no 29, no 28, no 34, no 61, no 25, no 33, no 53, no, oh, we do have a match on 2. A match on 2. Sweet. Look at there. There's a good old 9. No 9, no 9, no 9, no 9. Oh, you thought you about got away with not listening to it, but you had to anyway. No 43. No 64. No 24. No 51. One off at the 50 and the 52. No 45. No 8. No 3. That's a one off at the 2, but we already got a match on the 2. No 62. And no 17. So just a match on 2 for $30. $30. 35 out of what was a $70 lot. Half back. Can't beat it. In my book, half back's almost a win. It's almost half a break even. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Hit the like button even if you don't like the No 9 song. Subscribe, hit the notification bell, leave a comment down below, but most importantly, thank you guys so much for watching.